Hello everyone and welcome to part 1 of this course. In this section, we will cover Python programming fundamentals in a simple, easy, and practical way. We will cover Python programming fundamentals such as conditional statements, logical operators, loops, functions, and also how to deal with files. In addition, we will cover lambda expressions, we'll cover NumPy, pandas, and how to perform data visualization in Python using key libraries such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly as well. We have designed this section to be super practical, so we added a lot of mini challenges after introducing every key concept. So I'm going to ask you guys to please pause the video and attempt to solve the mini challenge on your own. Then we will have a detailed video explanation with complete solutions available for you. Please note that in this section, we will assume that students do not have any prior experience with Python in the past or any programming language in the past. So if you have prior experience with Python, you can use this section as a refresher maybe, or you can feel free to skip it and go directly to part number 2. So let's get started with part number 1 of the course.